Nobody plans an accident, but they still happen. At Linmar Motors, we've been meeting customers by accident since 1958. Fortunately, accidents don't happen that often, but it's a good idea to be prepared. A little advanced planning for this emergency can save your customers time and money. After an accident, your customer may need a tow, but who will they call? If the customer needs a tow, they're bound to need repairs, and most tow companies don't make repairs, which means that their car could require a second tow from the storage lot to the repair facility your customer chooses. Most tow companies don't rent cars. Your customer may require temporary transportation. It can be difficult to rent a car in the middle of the night or on a weekend or a holiday. If your customer has an accident, ask them to call Linmar Motors, Illinois' most complete automotive service provider, where they can arrange for 24-hour towing, 365 days a year, collision repairs, glass and upholstery services, and rental cars on site. Enough about us. What's in it for you? We never know when an emergency will occur. Your customers would have the security and convenience of being able to arrange for emergency services 24 hours, 365 days with a single call. We value our relationship with you, and for that reason, your customers will receive the same personal attention from us that they have come to expect from you. Now let's talk about dollars. Because we operate one of the area's largest body shops, we will be a large source of parts business for you. Additionally, we will discount paint and body services on your own inventory. We will deliver new mechanical business, and we will refer customers for new car sales. How will we do that? As a result of our numerous municipal and state towing contracts, we tow over 8,000 cars a year. Most will need repairs, and that's a lot of parts business. Many will require mechanical repairs and service. We will send that business to you. Keep in mind, the cars we tow have been purchased from hundreds of different dealers, which means exposure to far more new business than the business you refer to us. Many other body shops work for the insurance company, not the car owner. This means they may be asked to use aftermarket parts or other cost-cutting measures which aren't in the best interest of the car owner, the dealer, or the manufacturer. At Linmar, we put the customer first, and you get the parts business. Finally, since many of the cars we tow are total losses, we are in an excellent position to refer new car prospects. These are not just tire kickers, but people who have a check and no car. We want to prove our value as an exclusive provider of collision services to your customers.
As the president of the Chamber of Commerce, you want to deal with businesses that are credible, do a good job, and that are involved in the community. I can't think of many businesses that can say that and make that statement like Linmar can. And then lastly, you get a chance to talk to the owner, and he's here all the time, and that's comforting if you're a consumer. You want to know that you can go to the owner if you need something or have a question or an issue.
I'm Ron Lundin, owner of Linmar Motors. At Linmar Motors, we've been meeting customers by accident since 1958.